Hey everyone, welcome back to Obakhas Geeks. I'm your host Patrick, and today we are going to talk about crypto. So right here I have a guest who will be taking us through this topic, and we're going to talk about Binance. Under Binance, these are the topics we're going to cover. First, what is Binance? Next, we're going to show you why Binance is worth for traders. Another thing is we're going to show you how to create a Binance account. That is number 3. And number 4, we're going to show you sections to trade on Binance. Then lastly, we'll be showing you how to secure your Binance account. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like, and after watching, let us know your thoughts in the comment section. So the link of my guest is in the description below. He's doing videos about crypto, right? So the name of the guest's channel is Tech Crypto. You can check the links in description, and even the name of his channel is on this title. So after watching this video, you can visit to his channel and watch other videos. So first of all, let me introduce my guest. He will tell us his name. Tell us your name.
Okay, my name is Griffin.
Yeah. Griffin, you have a channel, right?
Yeah. Tech Crypto is the name, yeah.
I'm talking about Binance, right? So let's understand what is Binance.
Okay, Binance is a crypto wallet that allows you to trade crypto. You can receive crypto from other wallets. You can send crypto to other wallets, either for payment or for any other use. You can also trade. Binance allows you to trade your cryptos. Yeah, the platform has different sections. You can trade on spot, you can trade on futures. Yeah.
Binance is a trading platform. How can you differentiate between crypto and Binance?
Okay, crypto is what is traded on Binance. Okay, Binance just allows you, gives you that opportunity for you to trade. So you to trade crypto, which crypto we have Bitcoin and other like Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. So Binance is where you can trade them. You are able to trade all those cryptos at Binance.
I think you now understand what is Binance, right? The next thing we're going to talk about is why choose Binance as a beginner, or if you want to start trading, why choose Binance?
Why choose Binance? I'll recommend Binance because at Binance, first of all, you are able to, let's say your verification, your registration is very simple. Yeah, at Binance, compared to other sites, other platforms, Binance is very easy to use. It's very fast, you can say like that. Yeah, and Binance has very different types of crypto. You can say Bitcoin and all other cryptos, unlike other platforms which only have a few cryptos. Yeah, that's why you choose Binance.
So in short, you can say Binance is friendly to everyone.
Yeah, Binance is friendly to anyone. Yeah, you can do all types of trade at Binance.
So if you're a beginner and you want to start trading, it is recommended to use Binance, right?
Yeah, I can recommend Binance, or you can use any platform that you wish. You can use any other platform that you know, but in Kenya mostly the only common there are other common wallets, but I can recommend for you to use Binance. It will be simple because other wallets don't allow you to trade other coins. Yeah.
What about in matter of security with Binance? How is it?
Security, I won't say much because even other platforms, yeah, the security is better. Yeah.
So what are other platforms apart from Binance that you are recommending?
They are different. We have Binance, we have people who use Paxful, we have people who use KuCoin, we have people who use MXC, we have people who use Smart. Yeah, there are several.
Okay guys, let us know in the comment section which platform you're using to trade if you are ready in this field, right? So Griffin is recommending Binance for traders. So if you want to start trading or if you are a beginner, it is recommended to use a Binance platform or Binance wallet to trade, right? Because it's more convenient, flexible, and it is easy to use as a beginner if you can choose a Binance, right? Now let's look at the step-by-step process on how you can create a Binance account, right? What are the steps of creating a Binance account?
So if you're using an Android or an iOS on App Store, on App Store, then you search Binance. The Binance that you will get, it should be Binance NFT. Or if you are on Play Store, you can just search Binance, Binance NFT. You download it. After downloading it, if you are on a desktop, the same way, but you don't download it, you just use the website direct. Once you have downloaded the app on your phone, the next step that you're supposed to do is do verification, KYC. KYC means know your customer. So you are supposed to fill in your details, your name. You are supposed to upload your ID, or a passport or a driving license. Then the next step for you have to wait for the approval, which takes approximately maybe less than an hour. It will depend. So you have to submit the correct details or else it will be rejected. Once submitted, the next thing you are supposed to do is for you to check your security. You are supposed to make sure that the security of your account is good. That you have to download the Google Authenticator. Then you can link it with your SMS code, and a code is sent to your phone number. Once the code is sent to the phone number, you can do transaction, or you can use the Google Auth for you to receive the code from Google Auth. Then you enter it at the Binance. So that allows you, when you want to withdraw coins or you want to deposit or any transaction that is happening, it will be easier. So no one can come into your account, no one can log into your account, then transfer without your authority.
So two-factor authentication is a must when setting up a Binance account, right?
No, it's not a must. You can use SMS code. So a code is sent to your phone number or an email. Then once it's sent to your phone number or an email as an SMS or an email, you enter that code. Then once it is verified, the transaction will be complete.
So guys, I think you got it right. It's the step-by-step guide on how you can set up your Binance account. So another thing we're going to look at, sections to trade on Binance. That's the next thing we're going to talk about.
Okay, there are different sections when you want to trade at Binance. We have futures, we have spot. We have futures, we have spot. Or if spot, you can just buy the coin, the either Bitcoin or any other coin. Then you hold for some period of time, then you will sell. Then we have futures. Futures, for most people who do forex, they will understand futures. So then we have P2P. P2P, where you are going to trade, you're going to buy, then sell, buy and sell, directly from one client to another, from one customer to another.
So those are three sections, right? What is the advantage or disadvantage of these steps? Maybe if you take first and second.
Okay, first of all, when you are trading at futures, you need to be very sure what you are doing, because at futures, when you are trading at the section of futures, it's very risky because once you lose, your money is gone. You'll never recover it. But at spot, when you're trading at the section of spot, you're buying just to hold. Then if you get a profit, you're going to sell it. But if you buy, and let's say you are on loss, let's say you have bought a Bitcoin, then you are in loss. So once you're in loss, you can hold it for some time, wait for the coin to rise. Once it is high, you are able to sell it at a profit. You cannot sell directly. What you do, you just convert it to a stable coin, either BUSD, BUSD Binance USD coin, or you can convert it to USDT. Yeah, Tita.
What about P2P?
At P2P section, okay, the trade the trade that is carried out at that section is you buy coin. You buy that. It's an easy way for you to use to deposit. You can buy coin from someone. Once you bought you can hold it, then you sell it to someone else. Let's say you bought a coin at 5%. 5%, that is, let's say USD right now is 116. Yeah. So let's say you bought at 6%. 6%, that is here, let's say at 116. Then you're going to sell it at 117. So you have made a profit of, let's say, $1.
$1, right?
Yeah.
So those are the sections you can trade on Binance, and I'm also learning. I don't know these things. So another step, we're going to talk about how to secure your Binance account. Which are the steps you can take to secure your Binance account, and why you need to secure your Binance account?
Anything that you do online, it's better for you to guarantee the security, especially if you're dealing with funds. So first of all, what you need to do at Binance, if you have funds in Binance, you are supposed to ensure that you have taken the security at maximum. So that means you have to go at the security section, settings, security section. So once there, you will be able to activate all the settings that are needed for your security. So that means if you want to withdraw funds, you can link it with your email. So when you withdraw the funds, a code is sent to your email address. So you will enter that email address at the section provided. So once you provide that code, the transaction will go through. You can use Google Auth, where Google Auth you will add account. Yeah, if you know, maybe I'll describe it later how to use Google Auth, Google Authenticator. So once you have Google Authenticator, Google Authenticator will give you a code, which that code lasts like around 20 seconds. So you'll take that code, go back to Binance,
and that code will expire.
Yeah, the code will expire. So you need to go to Google Auth, take the code, go back to Binance, enter that code. So once the code is approved, you can do your transaction. Or you can use the SMS. A code is sent to your phone number, the phone number that you have registered.
That is linked with your Binance account, right?
Yeah, the code is sent to that phone number. Then you enter the code. Then if the code is correct, the transaction will go through. But mostly I recommend Google Auth. Yeah, because Google Auth you are with your phone, or it's better to use SMS, because the SMS is sent directly to your phone number.
The reason to secure your Binance account mostly is for finance protection.
Yep.
So you're taking care of your finances or your coins. So guys, I think Griffin will give us a bonus tip, so how you can maximize profit on Binance. What can a beginner do to maximize his or her profit on Binance?
Just say patience.
Patience.
Yeah,
only patience.
That's all.
What about the stake?
The stake, not really. Because even if I give you 1,000 shillings, or I give you 100,000 shillings, if you cannot use that 1,000 shillings to maximize profit, you still cannot use the 100,000 shillings to maximize profit. So I'll just say patience.
So you must be patient when trading, right? Guys, we are coming to an end. So hope you learned something. So before we go, if you want to learn more about crypto, you need to visit his channel and check out more videos about this topic. Obakhas Geeks will be here every Sunday talking about crypto, right? If you want to make money online, of course, you need to check out these two channels, Obakhas Geeks and Take Crypto. You will learn more. So how can someone reach you?
Just on Twitter, Colygriff.
That is at Colygriff, right? Colygriff. only Twitter. The Twitter handle of Griffin is in the description below. You can click on it and it will take you to his profile page, right? So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you found this video useful in one way or the other, please smash that like button, subscribe, and leave your nice comment in the comment section. Still, we meet in the next video. Bye bye.